All right, language explorers. So let's look at this week's Thursday adverb. So at all, to an extent, in any way possible. I don't know him at all. I don't speak Russian at all. I don't know any German at all anymore. Not at all, no. They won't go there at all. Yeah. They won't speak to her at all. No way. No way. I won't go there at all. So I won't go there at all. She won't talk to him at all. He won't know what to do at all. They at all. They think they know, but they don't really know at all. Like, in absolute no way. It will not work at all. It should be here. It should be here at all. It should not be in this room at all. It should not be in this room at all. No way. Yeah. I have never been there at all. I have not been to, say, anywhere. Russia at all, but I want to go. I've not been there at all, but I want to go. I have not been to North Mexico at all, but I will go. How cool is that? Will go. How cool is that? So, no way, not at all. I'm not walking there. Not at all. Will you come with me? Will you come with me? Not at all. Not at all. No, thank you. No, thank you. Yeah. She won't know what to do at all. He just won't know at all what to do. It is something new for him. It's just something new. He won't know what to do at all. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So at all, to an extent, in any way possible, or not at all. Not at all. No, thank you. Yeah. How cool is that? So, yeah, I don't know him at all. They won't go there at all. I won't go there at all. Nice. How cool is that? So, can you use at all in a sentence? Comment below and like the video. Subscribe to the channel. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram when you search English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too when you search Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.